Hello, welcome to another School by Science video. I'm Mr. Mark, and we are going to discuss upscale butterfly feeders. The materials that you would need is a clear plastic bottle such as a ketchup bottle or a syrup bottle, cotton balls, rubber band, string, flowers, and they can be plastic flowers, 1 cup of water, and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. So when we start out, we will place a piece of cotton into the center of the cap, and we will pull about 1.5 inches through the cap. Take a rubber band and place it on the bottom. Wrap it around a couple of times just to make sure that it's snug. You don't want it too tight because you don't want to collapse the bottle. Make sure that it's nice and snug. Then from there, you will take the string and you'll cut about 1 foot of string. And that you will tie that string around the right side and the left side of the bottle. Now we have something that looks like this that hangs from either a tree or from an awning or from some part of your porch. We will take 1 cup of water and we will add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar to the water. We'll mix that up, and it has to be thoroughly mixed so that no sugar crystals are in the solution. Now you can do this by either having your parent put this in the microwave for a minute, or you can put this on the stovetop to heat it up. Once it is heated and cooled, then you go ahead and you add that solution, that sugar solution, to your bottle. Put on your cap, nice and tight. And then you can add another rubber band to the top, near the top. Make sure that's snug, but it doesn't have to be as snug as the bottom. All right, so I have 2 rubber bands placed on here. You might want to add a 3rd one if you want, or a 4th one. Now from there, we will just go ahead and place our flower through both rubber bands because butterflies are attracted to flowers. This is our finished product, and you can send any pictures or videos to our social media. And please come back for another School by Science video at www.alcosan.org.